attention of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this OPPO. You need to begin by accessing Play Store and installing your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera browser. Then wait for it to download, and when it's ready, click on Home button. Now access Devices Settings and tap on App Management section, over here. Then you need to choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser App, click on Opera Mini to set it up, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!